Are you aware that once we reach a certain age, our body starts producing a smaller amount of collagen, and the collagen it does produce is of a much lower quality? And that is why, as the years go by, we start to notice certain changes. Our skin begins to lose firmness and elasticity. Fine lines and wrinkles start to appear on our skin. Our hair and nails also begin to change in texture and strength, and the cumulative wear and tear on our cartilage and joints can gradually start to be felt as noticeable discomfort and pain, for example, in the knees. The thing is, collagen is present in so many parts of our body. In fact, it is the most abundant protein we have. So today we are going to learn a little bit more about collagen, and we are going to prepare a simple and inexpensive homemade remedy to incorporate it into our diet. Approximately 30% of all the proteins found in our body are actually collagen. Just to give you a better idea of exactly how incredibly important this specific protein is for our overall health. In fact, collagen is by far the most abundant protein we have, and we can really think of it as one of the primary building materials of our entire body. It is found throughout our skin, actively helping it to maintain its essential structure, elasticity, and strength. It is in our bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. We also find it in our teeth, in structures of our eyes like the cornea, in our blood vessels, and even forming part of the structure of the heart. And something that many people don't know is that there isn't just one type of collagen. Around 28 different types have been identified, although some are much more abundant than others. Type 1 is by far the most abundant form and is mainly found in our skin, bones, and tendons. Type 2 is found primarily in our cartilage, and Type 3 is present in the skin, blood vessels, and various other tissues throughout the body. So, when we talk about collagen, we aren't just talking about wrinkles or simply looking younger. We are talking about a structural protein that is part of many, many parts of our body. Consuming collagen can indeed provide different benefits to our body. Benefits have been found mainly in the skin, helping to improve hydration and elasticity, and even the appearance of wrinkles. It has also been studied for its benefits on cartilage and joints, especially in people with discomfort and pain in their knees. Furthermore, some of the amino acids present in collagen, such as glycine, have also been studied for their potential benefits related to rest, gut health, and cardiovascular health. One of the most well-known and studied forms is hydrolyzed collagen. Basically, it is collagen whose structure has been broken down into smaller parts to facilitate its digestion. And this is where what we are going to use today comes in: gelatin. Gelatin comes from collagen and is obtained through partial hydrolysis, so it provides us with protein and amino acids derived from collagen. But be careful, not all gelatins are the same. We have to pay close attention to which one we are going to use and check its ingredients. And that is precisely what we are going to see now while we prepare our recipe. As I was telling you earlier, gelatin is primarily obtained from animal-derived collagen, which is sourced mainly from tissues like skin, bones, and various connective tissues found in both beef and pork. Through a complex process known as partial hydrolysis, that raw collagen is carefully transformed into the versatile gelatin we all know and use. For the specific results we are looking for in this recipe, we are going to use unflavored natural gelatin, which will provide the perfect texture. It is a remarkably simple and highly economical way to incorporate collagen into our daily diet, whether we are specifically looking to support the health of our skin, bones, cartilage, or joints. Simply prepare the gelatin by carefully following the product's specific instructions, and if you want to further complement it, you can easily add some fresh fruit that is rich in vitamin C, such as strawberries, kiwi, or orange slices. If you want to give it a pleasant sweet touch, you can add a little bit of natural honey, agave syrup, or the sweetener of your choice, while trying not to make it overly sweet. You can consume a portion regularly, and it is perfectly fine to have even one portion a day if you wish to do so. You don't need to consume large quantities. And that's it. A simple and economical way to incorporate collagen into our diet. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.